The pickup we did yesterday before the snow. Actually, it was the day before. Got another giant TV. Whole bunch of copper pipe. Hot water heater. This one has the copper coil inside. And those flux pipes down there on the bottom are actually brass. And then we got a furnace. I got to move a few things around the truck right now, and we're headed out. We're going to pick up a 5-section boiler and some more copper pipe. I'll show you that in a few minutes when we get there. There's another coil. Whole pile of copper. Just getting this boiler disconnected here, and we'll load that up soon. We got more copper too. This was just some scrap that the guys gave me to add on to my pile. So I just got back from this boiler pickup. See the coil that was in it down there? Plus I showed you guys the other one that was on the ground there that they gave me. I already split the boiler all apart. It was way too heavy to carry. We had to push it up a hill, a huge hill, just to get it back to the truck. So it wasn't worth trying to do it all in one section. So I just broke the whole thing all apart. 5 sections. Bunch of copper, circulator pump. Control, some brass fittings down in here, the burner. We'll take it all apart. I gotta unload all this and see where I'm gonna stockpile it for a little while, because the prices are terrible right now. It's just not even worth bringing it down. Even though luckily the yard is still open for us. I could cash it in, but to bring it in for only a few cents a pound right now is not worth it. I don't know where I'm gonna put it out here yet, but I'm going to make a little bit of room today so I can start stockpiling a little bit more. I got another oil tank I picked up, got to cut that apart. Got all these chairs to take apart. There's just stuff everywhere. So we're going to stockpile some stuff for a while. That's okay. Check out the size of this TV. This thing's got to be like 36 or 40 inches across. Massive. Thing weighs a ton. I'm gonna rip this thing apart and pull the copper out, copper yoke out, and a couple boards out. I'm gonna leave it right on the truck. It's too heavy. I'm gonna bring it right to the recycling yard. Take that off. Maybe I'll take a couple of those other TVs with me today just to get them out of here. There's that boiler I just picked up, all the sections. Nice pile of copper coils over there on the ground. I don't know if you can see this far away, but there's the copper pipe that was all twisted and tangled inside the truck on that load. And that little box of stuff right there. There's that giant TV all taken apart. Well, it's not completed yet, but look at all the boards in here. They're all power boards or low grade boards. Nothing spectacular, but some good copper transformers, copper, some nice extruded aluminum, nice chunk of aluminum here, all copper windings, and then these wires here. Most likely they're going to be copper in this TV. Gotta check them though. They might be aluminum, but they're definitely pretty heavy, so I think they're all copper. Some more extruded aluminum down here. That's a nice size board. It's about 2 feet by 2 feet of all boards. Here's everything that came out of that big TV. A lot of boards. This is just what it looks like on the ground. This is pretty heavy. Gotta take off the ferrite in the back. But that's all bare bright. There's no coating on that. That's nice clean wire. And there's windings everywhere on these boards. It's all bare bright. Take a little bit of time to take it off. Seems like we all got a lot of time on our hands right now. Here's the wire. Nice copper. I just got back from another pickup. I showed you guys a boiler I picked up yesterday. I didn't post a video yet because I knew I had in this boiler I was picking up this morning. Whole bunch of copper tubing, some tin, hot water heater over there. Got some nice chunks of copper. I got an old steam boiler here. This thing weighs a ton. It's got to be 800-900 pounds easily, maybe more. Can't do anything with it right now. Scrapyard closed down. They were going to stay open for commercial accounts, but they decided to close down. Steel's not worth anything. So right now we're going to sit on some of this stuff, I guess, for a little longer than I would have liked. But that's alright. A lot of time to process through it all. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share. Hit the little bell. You'll get notified every time we post a video. I'll keep posting them. Thanks for watching. That's the bottom inside of that steam boiler. I think you could see it without getting the sun glare. Big heavy chunks. Solid cast iron. Like I said, that thing weighed a ton, putting it up on the truck. All nice copper down there. Just gonna stockpile for now, process everything out, and just keep stockpiling.